Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to our channel, Natural Sciences Grade 8 and 9. That's the name of the channel. Yes, and today we are looking at this case. It says that briefly explain greenhouse effect. Okay. Yeah, what is it? Okay, a greenhouse effect is a natural phenomenon which warms the planet. So you have to remember that if you have this as the sun, and this one happens to be our Earth with its atmosphere, okay? So when the rays move from the sun to strike the Earth warms up. It becomes warm. So during the day, the Earth absorbs heat. So at night, when there's no sun, the Earth tends to become cool. You have to know that cooling implies loss of heat. So the Earth loses heat. So that heat, which is lost, it is expected to be emitted back into atmosphere. But that's not the case actually. Some heat is trapped by this atmosphere. So what happens that when heat is being released, it might be trapped by the atmosphere, which keeps it in. So keeping in heat within the atmosphere makes the environment around the Earth to be warm. People normally associate greenhouse effect with only bad things, but we have to know that it's a natural way by which our planet is kept warm. Yeah, there are some compounds which actually facilitate more the retention of this heat. Example is carbon dioxide, methane. Those gases have the capacity to trap more heat around the Earth. And trust me, that one makes the Earth to be enjoyable, not to be so cold at night. Problem comes when it is excessive, that the temperatures tend to rise beyond our desirable range, causing other issues like global warming. But we have to understand that greenhouse effect is not a bad aspect. So it's only that when it's in excess, it becomes bad. So this is what we call greenhouse effect. Rays from the sun strike the Earth. The Earth becomes warm during day, and at night, the Earth tends to emit the energy it absorbed. But some of this energy is trapped within the atmosphere of the Earth, and that one tends to keep the Earth warm. Yeah, that is that. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that list the negative effects of enhanced greenhouse effect caused by human activities. Yeah, like we said, greenhouse effect is natural. It has been actually taking place before the coming of human beings. So I can't say it's contributed entirely by human beings. yeah, before coming of life, it was taking place, because the gases like carbon dioxide and methane have been in existence since. But the problem comes when it's enhanced, when it's in excess. There are some activities which human perform which enhances the greenhouse effect. But that's not the question. The question is, what are the negative effects of that enhanced greenhouse effects? First one is global warming. Yes, the temperatures tend to rise gradually beyond our liking. Secondly, rising of sea level. Yeah, this one comes also from global warming. Yeah, that when the ice caps at the polar ends melt, it increases on the volume of water in our water bodies, the oceans, and that one tends to raise the sea level. Next, death of organisms or loss of biodiversity. Yes, here biodiversity implies the variety of living organisms which are existing on Earth. And as more organisms become extinct, we say biodiversity decreases, the variety we have decreases, and so many other factors as well. So I've just listed these three, but these are not the exclusive ones. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is Natural Sciences Grade 8 and 9. Yeah, that's the name of the channel. We urge you to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. We believe we are the best. Stick with us. You won't regret. See you next time. Bye-bye.